Alright, so I got the error fix. I didn't really know what was wrong. I think that was like random application bug. Alright, now so we run this and yeah, you get this. So it's just gonna be like reoccurring type of shit. And that's because I'm pretty sure you know why. Okay, I'm gonna give you like random 30 seconds to answer to yourself why it's like that. Now I'm pretty sure you know. Okay, have you gotten the answer? Yeah, that's because of the while loop over here. The while loop like makes reoccurring, reoccurring type of stuff. So that's why it just continuously reoccurs. So I'm gonna solve that with Control C. Yeah, I'm using a Kali Linux. So now that we have gotten to this extent, I guess the next thing we have to do is to give the user a choice. Give to local by choice. Yeah, and you know what I'm about to do. If you don't know what I'm about to do, I don't know if you know Python. And if you don't know Python and this is your first time of seeing Python or you've come across Python before and you really want to learn Python, just comment in the comment section and I'm going to start a Python course because of you. No mistake. So let's just say enter the choice. I'll give the space there, which means probably I don't like bulky code. Looking for a way to shorten this code. Okay, let's say if let's come with like some conditions right now. If choice equals yeah you know. Now we're giving you space the right to design new. Yeah, yeah, this is where you like creating this account or stuff like that. Sorry. Take my other keyboard. Be the key. Oh, also, let's see your email. So we have to run them. Enter a valid email because we're gonna put some do some notification sheet. What's it called? And the email. Am I forgetting things? I'm not getting really early. What's that? What's that? What's that? No. Alright, so what is happening now is not peaceful. I'm gonna have to cut this video and we're going to continue right up from wherever I stopped. Like, you're not going to notice that there's a cut unless you properly heard me.